I'm here with my neighbor Mackenzie. Say hi, Mackenzie.
Hi.
And this is what, Mudgy? What are you doing? This is Mudgy. And this is Sebastian. That's my house right there. Look, there's an audio over there. Hey, hey! No, bad. No, no, no. I hurt. So what we are doing is, I'm so sorry. I'm sorry. So what we are doing is what she is doing.
We were playing a game, and now I'm just cleaning up the yard so it doesn't look like a mess.
Yeah, that's what it all is. That's from these two, and there's still more over there. This is gonna take forever, guys. Have a little time lapse, okay?
I don't do that. I just do this.
Okay, I'm gonna put you guys right over here and do a little time lapse, okay?
Don't you have to edit this?
Yeah, I can edit it. Yeah, I have a little editing app. Okay, we're gonna put you up here. Hopefully, this one doesn't attack. So, okay, we're gonna do a little time lapse right here.
How many subscribers do you already have?
One.
What? Let me guess.
I don't know. James is gone for like all winter, so yeah. So we're gonna do a little time lapse, guys. I will see you later.
All I have to do is this. Okay, so let me get this done and then. Are we recording the game too?
I guess yeah.
Episode. No, I'm just kidding.
Bro, we can do a little episode.
Yeah, I'm serious.
Little superhero episode. Yeah. Okay, so I'm thinking our merch should be like a diamond and say correct top. Merch, yeah.
You have to have about like 1 million subscribers to get merch.
No, you have to have 100,000.
Well, you have to at least have money to do merch because you have to at least fill up stock.
Bro, YouTube gives you money for that, bro.
Yeah, so if you have 1 subscriber, that means you already have like $10.
But when you have 100,000 subscribers times 10,
Times 10. I'm just kidding.
100,000 subscribers.
I think I'm gonna move the poop this way.
Okay, and then get the freaking shovel. Let's go.
How about you do it?
We're just weird like that, guys. We're just weird like that.
Oh, Sebastian has a stickle. Come on, Sebastian.
And if you guys are curious, this little line right here is just a little
tightrope. No, I'm just kidding.
Yeah, you guys are walking on a tightrope. Just like, let me help you real quick. See?
It's not cold.
I have no idea. Guys, she is from up north. She's from up north. She barely moved in like 3 years ago. I'm gonna have to apologize for that because she's not used to the cold down here.
I used to live in Texaco.
I used to live in Colorado.
Texaco is like basically like the step cousin of Texas.
Third time's removed. Like a couple.
It's like the unknown cousin. It's like the unknown cousin of Texas.
Yeah, it's a couple times removed, more like a couple species removed. Okay, let's go.
Texaco is between Clovis and Texas, so it's basically the same thing.
Clovis is up north. How's it between Texas?
Clovis is in New Mexico.
No, I think I got that.
Yeah.
But how could it be next to Texas?
Yeah, it actually is pretty chilly there, so yeah.
Yeah, but it's way chillier up north. Yeah. Like up in Colorado.
Yeah, it's by Roswell and Reed also, so it's pretty cool.
So guys, she does not have a channel, so I'm sorry. So I cannot.
I do have a Musical.ly.
Yeah, check out her Musical.ly in the description below.
Are you actually gonna put a description? It's like no.
I'm gonna put shoveling poop for the fun of it. Helping out our neighbor shovel poop. How about shoveling poop?
Reggie's like, I'm trying to eat. She's like, is this food?
It's not food, it's manure for the horse. The horses eat this. Yeah. The closest thing I've ever... Okay, guys. The closest thing I've ever had to a farm animal was a chicken. One. It died at like 1 year old.
I've had like 3 horses.
Yeah. Man, this tree, dude.
Yeah, do you know who did that?
Us?
Travis. Travis broke that branch. Our sacred branch.
Is
no, the other one. That one. Our sacred branch.
Sacred.
He was so mad at the tree because the tree hit him. He broke it, and then he just let it like damp, and then I had to break it off.
I thought the sacred branch was right there.
Oh, I thought it was sacred. by that freaking sacred branch when I was smaller. When I hit my forehead.
Oh, yeah. So if you guys want to look at that video, down in the description below with her musically. And it's really funny. She hits her head. I'll put it in the video later. Huh?
There's no video. No, I'm just kidding. Okay, we could start the episode now.
Okay, we are going to start an episode, guys, so I will see you later.